Imagine a world with two CAD software products, A and B. Some people think that A is the only option because it's big and well known, but B will change the way you buy and use CAD. A is offered only as a subscription. You can't own it. To use it, you need to keep paying. No choice. Buy B once and it's yours forever. Or subscribe if you wish. At B, we believe you deserve real choice. And best of all, B costs less than A. If you use A today, you can be an expert in B in one day. The drawings you create in A open directly in B, and vice versa. Both use DWG, a file format trusted and used everywhere. Launch B and you'll see a very familiar interface. Load your menus and use the commands you know. No relearning. Even your Lisp routines run faster than ever. No reprogramming either. B offers hundreds of industry-specific applications and time-saving AI tools. B looks the same, but it's really quite different. Try B today with a 30-day free trial. B is BricsCAD.